It's very telling how polarizing this is for the globe believers, because nobody is addressing it. And when they do start to address it, they beg the question that they're already on a globe.
It's not begging the question if you assume a starting position and declare that it could be either a globe or flat, and having picked one, then you do your test, and if it doesn't match reality, then it's likely you picked wrong. But as you see on this diagram, globe works fine. Must be right. Now, I know, Mitchell, what you're going to say about this. You're presuming R. Well, fair cop, I am kind of presuming R in this case.
You just need to know how the sextant works. It has a flat baseline from the observer eye through the sextant to the horizon. If you can't achieve that flat baseline, a straight line, the 0 point where you're going to measure angles from, then the sextant will not work. It is as simple as that. If there is no flat baseline, you cannot get an angle. This is an angle measuring device. That's what the sextant is.
Yes, it's an angle measuring device, and it absolutely does not have to be from a flat baseline.
You measure a flat baseline from your eye to the horizon, and from your eye to whatever star or thing you're trying to sight to. There's no R value calculated, dude. You don't know what you're talking about.
Fantastic.
Sean Hawkins.
Sean Hawkins has just detailed how we measure a flat Earth. Beautiful, Sean. So
I'm Sean Hawkins, and I approve this message. Celestial navigation via a sextant? You're going to need a globe for that.
You're going to need R for that.
Mitchell, you want to do celestial navigation with a sextant? You're going to need a globe for that.
You're going to need R for that.
Hi, I'm Mr. Sensible, and I approve this message.
At best, you would have disproved the radius of the Earth.
Celestial navigation with a sextant? You're going to need a globe for that.
But you're going to need R for that.
What was that, Wally? You're going to need R for that.
Hi, I'm Critical Thing from Down Under, and I approve this message. Celestial navigation with a sextant? You're going to need a globe for that.
Yeah, you're going to need R for that.
Yes, Flannelwalk. I am your father. Oh, it's recording.
Hi, Wally. It's Wolfie6020. Sorry about that. I was just having a bit of fun. Celestial navigation with a sextant. You're going to need a globe for that.
You're going to need R for that.
We have triple inertial reference systems, 2 aviation-grade GPS receivers, 4 crew iPads on the flight deck, 2 Garmin GDL50s, and a bad elf. It's dark and we're wearing sunglasses. But when all else fails, we have the ultimate backup, the sextant. And this never fails.
Hey Wally, thanks for having me stop by. You know, the bottom line is this. If you're going to use a sextant for navigation on Earth, you're going to need a globe for that.
You're going to need R for that.
I'm Bob the Science Guy, and I approve this message.
A tool that measures angles from straight lines.
Yep.
Where'd you get a straight line for a sextant, considering you've got sphere-shaped hair?
I don't have one.
At the sextant and its straight line and where you get it on a sphere.
I don't have one. When would you like me to come on the show, Nathan?
You're here now. Where'd you get a straight line for a sextant in atmosphere?
I don't have one.
So where'd you get a straight line for a sextant on a globe?
I don't have one.
Where would you get a straight line, considering that there's always atmosphere for a sextant?
I don't have one.
Get a straight line when you've got atmosphere on a globe.
I don't have one.
So you can't tell me now where you get a straight line from, coward.
I don't have one.
So where'd you get a straight line for the sextant?
I don't have one.
You don't have one?
Correct.
It's a tool that measures angles from straight lines.
Yep.
Well, guys, I think we're just about done. Oh, one more thing for those of us who are lovers of irony. Sorry, just put your fingers in your ears for a few seconds. This is Nathan Oakley, and this is really funny.
You're making a claim that we're on a flat Earth.
Yeah, triangulation proves it. You can only do this triangulation if the surface of Earth is flat. I've already stated that several times. Now you're talking about beach balls and begging the question of spheres. You still haven't acknowledged whether or not you understand what a begging the question fallacy is. Do you or don't you?
I absolutely do, and I believe
What's a begging the question fallacy?
I believe you're doing it.
I'm not doing anything. I'm talking about triangulation. That's facts. Not begging the question of anything. If you are triangulating, you will, fact, have a straight, flat baseline. That's not begging the question. That's a fact.